So today we will be talking about key to unlock your dreams. The strangest secret, the video I have prescribed, the audio I have prescribed you people as a prescription to success. This is what my mentor, taught me to listen to strangest secret every single day. I used to listen to this particular thing every single day for 2 to 3 times. And I hope you should also go ahead with the stuff. So today, to concrete your prescription, to support your mind, so that your mind should not conflict with you, that why to listen it daily. I'm sharing some key points which is going to help you to become consistent. So, key to unlock your dream, Stranger's Secret, why you need to listen to Stranger's Secret. So as I've already told you, my mentor prescribed me to listen to Stranger's Secret before sleep and immediately after wake up. This is what I have prescribed you people. Okay. After waking up immediately and before sleeping, you have to listen to this particular thing. Why you need to listen to this particular thing? Your subconscious is the most receptive as soon as you wake up in the morning and before you sleep. So this is very important. This is absolutely important because when you are sleeping and before you wake up, like after immediately you wake up without checking your mail, your WhatsApp, without interacting with anybody inside your family, you need to use the power of your mind. This is very, very important. The moment you use your power of mind to create that positivity in your aura, in your soul, it's going to be very easy for you to go throughout the whole day with that energy. It is somewhere similar to, charging your mobile phone before going to your workplace. Like the moment your mobile phone is not charged, it's going to radiate high frequency radiations, which is not good for your health. It is not good for your brain. And that too, you cannot use the mobile phone like throughout the day also, because it's going to get shut down. It's going to get switched off. So the same thing is applicable to human life. It is very, very important that you need to charge yourself. So charging yourself, definitely journaling is one thing. Meditation is other practice. Listening to Strangers Secret for next 30 days is important because it comes in a whole soul package. It is a kind of a very positive radio frequency, and we are the frequency device. It is the moment you focus and listen to it with utter focus, concentration, you imbibe every single information inside the audio. You are getting some good insight. It's a kind of a natural active meditation you're doing. So in this way, it always helps you. Okay, so this was my experience with Stranger's Secret. I hope the screen is visible to you. Show me some thumbs up. Okay. So this was my experience with Stranger's Secret. That is, I worked on my focus. Now my focus is very, very powerful. Less impact of chaos and surrounding. What this means is, हमारे surrounding में the people are going to come. They are going to talk a lot, and they are going to reveal all their expectation. They are going to tell us, तुम ये कर सकती हो, तुम वो नहीं कर सकती हो, तुमको इसकी permission है, तुमको उस चीज की permission नहीं है, blah 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 blah. Lot of things are going to be there. So the world is very chaotic. So जब हम Stranger Secret सुनते हैं, then उनके impact हमारे mental एंटिटी पे होना बंद होने लगता है, एंड यू विल बी फीलिंग लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्टिवनेस इनसाइड यू. यू विल बी वेरी फोकस्ड विथ योर टारगेट्स, विथ योर गोल्स. एंड चाहे दुनिया कुछ भी कहती रहे, आपका दिमाग बोलता रहेगा दुनिया जाए भाड़ में, मेरा काम मेरे लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस इज द the extract of listening to the Stranger's Secret. Now you will be more productive. I'm able to connect with my intuition. This is very important. See, day 1, day 2, day 3, for the next 7 days, when you are going to listen to Stranger's Secret, it's going to be like आपका focus बहुत ज़्यादा उस audio के ऊपर रहेगा, because this is for the first, second, third or the fourth time you are listening to the audio. right? So you will be naturally focused. But at your 15th day, at your 10th day, because your mind has listened to this particular audio n number of times now, you might not be focused on the words, but your mind, because of that positive meditative frequency coming from that particular video, your mind is utterly focused, and now your mind is giving you a lot of new intuition. Okay, fine, I'm getting this problem. How to solve this problem? Okay, fine, let me use this idea. Okay, fine, why not to create a video on this particular topic? Okay, fine, why not I can prepare the video this time outside. Okay, fine, let me go ahead for a photo shoot. Okay, fine, let me discuss this stuff with my clients, customer, or my mentor, or Nilofer, whatever. So while listening on the 10th day, you won't be focused on the audio, but while listening you will get lot of intuitive insight. And I really recommend this, that the moment you get some insight, just start writing them, just jot it down as day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, because it doesn't matter, you implement it immediately, but at the end of the day you will use all those ideas. This is what I feel. You must use all those ideas and insight practically in action, because the results, those insight, those intuitive insight are going to give you is remarkable. It's going to be extraordinary, because our intuition is a God's voice inside us. So you always need to understand, you need to respect your intuition. And intuition is a learnable skill. When we meditate, either passive meditation or active meditation, we generate a kind of intuitive power inside us. And this is what, with due course of time, I want you people to imbibe, to inculcate in your curriculum also. For example, for Smriti, what you need to do is ask your students to use your intention while you're eating the food, while you're choosing the food. You have all the knowledge, you have all the awareness. Now your intuition is going to talk to you. Okay, what you need to do it and what you don't need to do it. And this is somewhere I call it a Brahma Buddhi. जो सबके अंदर है लेकिन dormant state में है. And here we are, through some practices, allow this Brahma Buddhi to wake up. For Sri, when Sri is into her growth development classes, you can ask your students to use their intuition when you're using your critical thinking skills, when you're using your problem solving skills, when you're using your digital skill, how to use, what to see, what not to see, what is right for me, what is wrong for me, what is going to serve me, what is not going to serve me, all and everything should come from the space of intuition. After building up a structured education system of awareness, this is where the intuition works. A Stranger's Secret has a clear messages. When you will be listening to the audio n number of time, you will understand that the message is very clear. The message related to your goal, the message related to your mind programming, the message related to the materialistic world, it is very, very clear at that point of time. What is the birth life, yeah, birth story of Stranger's Secret? The moment you know something is coming from the space of credibility, something which is coming from the space of a lot of experience, timeless wisdom, then your mind never conflicts. Then your mind supports to do that activity very naturally. So always back up your activity, your goals with something, with some information, with some data, with some statistic coming from the space of credibility. So from where the Stranger's Secret come? He is Napoleon Hill. Now you have always, like you might have listened to this or read all these books, Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich and the Laws of Success. Now, Laws of Success was his first, 16 pages, thesis. And then afterward, he converted this all thesis along with बहुत सारा और experiences, and he written this particular book, Think and Grow Rich, which was in 1956, was a great subject to teach on and to talk on and to train on, right? So what is Stranger's Secret? Now, Stranger's Secret, Earl Nightingale, what he did is he compressed all the information provided by Napoleon Hill and he formed this audio. And this audio is a compressed form of all teachings of Napoleon Hill in 1956. Bob Proctor, you might have listened and seen some of the video of Bob Proctor also. He's a wealth financial coach and a consultant for many of the CEOs and MDs and rich class people. So Bob Proctor popularized this particular Stranger Sector in lot many ways, in lot many his training series in the personal development industries, and he got a great results out of all these things. Then the power of one thought. Now, Stranger's Secret always teach us one thing, that is power of one thought. Now, what is power of one thought? Power of setting the goals. Every single day you have to write your goals. See, your mind will say you कि बाबा ये बहुत लंबा प्रोसेस है, बाबा each day करने का क्या जरूरत है, मेरे को क्यों करना है, मैं तो सोच लूंगी. नहीं. But when you write, when you use your psychomotor skill, at that point of time, your power of manifestation, it works much faster. So each day, without going to the back page कि मैंने कल क्या लिखा था, नहीं देखने का है. Every single day write minimum of 5 goals in your diary every single day, which is connected to your that one thought. Try, be attentive. It has to be connected with that one thought. The one thought, I want to create a multi-crore business helping the parents and the student to achieve a spiritual lifestyle, a best optimized, productive mindset with lot of skills, lot of expertise in 21st century skill development. So the moment you will be continuously thinking about one thought and you will be writing the goals each day around this, then your mind is going to give you that divine power to create the impossible into possible ways. That's the point. Getting it? So it's very important for you to write your goals daily. Take out your 3 minutes. It hardly take 5 minutes actually. If I'm going to share my experience, hardly take 5 minutes. Like my whole soul morning ritual, it takes me just 15 to 20 minutes. Like writing things and all. Okay, I will be taking the questions afterwards. You can write your questions. Let me complete the presentation. You become what you think. Now, Earl is putting a lot of emphasis in the audio about you become what you think. So what you think needs to be care of. It's very important. If you think you are a victim in your life, you will always be a victim in your life. If you think you are a victorious person in your life, you will be a victorious person in your life. If you think you are already wealthy because you are the part of such a powerful training program, you're already successful, you're already rich, you're already wealthy, and you are working on your skill, then you are already, your mind understand this thing. Once your mind understands this thing and your mind is your friend, then nobody can beat you. Nobody can beat you. And let me tell you one thing, the biggest culprit, the biggest, villain in our life is not the people around us, it's our mind. It never the people around us, it's the mind. So the moment your mind is going to be optimized, that point you will be ultimately optimized and focused on your goals and whatever you want to do in your life. Thing. Success is a worthy realization of an ideal. Now you need to understand that in the video, in the audio, lot many times you will listen, success is a worthy realization of an ideal. Now what does this mean? Thing. It means that success is not something in outer world. Success is already existing inside every single individual. Now, when you feel you are successful and when you repetitively remind your mind that I'm already successful, I'm already writing my goals, I'm having a purpose, I'm a peaceful soul, I'm a powerful soul, I'm already successful, I'm already rich, I'm already wealthy, I'm having good family, I'm having good husband, I'm having all the people who are supporting me in my mission, in my vision. Then this realization, this ideal realization each day is going to affirm you on the journey of success, on the journey of creating your identity, on the journey of creating the wealth in your life, what you really want to manifest. It's very, very important to think positive every single second. पैर में दर्द हो रहा है, बोलो everything is happening for a greater good. वीडियो नहीं बन रहा है, चैलेंज आ रहा है, everything is happening for a greater good. हस्बैंड शाउट कर रहा है, गुस्सा हो रहा है, he is giving me a challenge, everything is happening for a greater good. हाँ, स्कूल में चीजें सही नहीं बैठ रही हैं, टीचर्स चिल्ला रहे हैं, अलाइन नहीं हो रहा है, मार्कशीट चेक नहीं हुई, कॉपीज नहीं चेक हुई, ये काम नहीं हुआ, वो काम नहीं हुआ, life is giving me a lot of challenge, everything is happening for a greater good. So the moment I feel that I am the best child of my God, at that time, God is going to give me a lot of challenges, physical challenge, emotional challenge, relationship challenge, mental challenge, because I am the best child of God. And God is going to make me deserve all the success which I want in my life to create a purposeful life. So this is very important. You need to see your challenges as your success, as a learning, your setbacks as a setup of God to learn much, much, much better thing. So every time when the challenge is coming, you need to say yourself, everything is happening for a greater good. Now, put 80% focus on where you want to go. Now, the audio reveals this thing very precisely that when you do all these activities in a structured way, the audio says your 80% focus is going to be on that points, on those doubts where you really want to go, rather than on those areas, on those lacunas which you never want to entertain, which are non-productive, which are non-essential in your life. And this is very important. Your 80% focus has to be on the area where you have set up your own goals. Now, it emphasized on visualization. Now, whenever you will visualize what you really want to achieve in your life, for this, I have already discussed with you people that try to record your audio. Imagine a date 2025, 31st December 2025. You're sitting on your dream place, Goa, Mud Island, Europe, Rome, Mauritius, or London, England, India में कहीं, wherever is your dream location for this year, imagine yourself and then thank God. Thank you, God. This is December 31st, 2025, and I'm seeing my children's playing. I'm seeing my family much, much more healthy. Now I'm having 10,000 students in my community to whom I'm helping each day with their lifestyle, with their skill development, giving them a clarity in their career, in their life. Thank you so much, God. You have given me an opportunity to earn 10 lakh rupees, to flow that 10 lakh rupees in my bank account. Now I feel today I feel much, much empowered. I feel much, much enlightened. I really feel so powerful, so peaceful that I can do whatever good thing you want me to create in this world without depending on anybody else on this planet. Thank you, God, for giving me this opportunity to thank you for all these things which I have obtained, achieved in my life. So, in this way, you can always create your visualization, you can record it, and let me tell you, your voice is the sweetest voice for yourself.